What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for checking me out. If you are old here, thank you for coming back. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into it. Today I am going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for thick eyebrows. Now, I am not a professional, but I have been really just kind of tuning in on skills as it pertains to makeup, and I really just think that I'm getting a little better. So I want to show you guys what I do and what I'm going to be doing for my thick eyebrows, because I don't like thin eyebrows. Oh my gosh, my eyelashes. So I'm going to be doing that, and then also just kind of talking to you guys about wedding stuff, because y'all know I'm getting married and it's been a journey, but it's really exciting. Let's get right into it. I have not been out of the house today, but the sun was shining so bright and I wanted you guys to see it, but I didn't get dressed till later, so I missed it. Hopefully I'll be able to bring some sun to you guys next time. Okay, so as I stated, wedding stuff, yes. So I believe we are almost booked in for our reception. Wedding venue is all booked up. I got my dress. You know, if you've been following me, you've seen that. It's just a lot going on. But again, like I said, I'm really excited and I cannot wait until I can start my life with my fiance, my friend of over 10 years. He was my friend first. So, and also if you guys haven't seen or heard our story, make sure you go to Love and War, the symbol and on our YouTube channel, and I'll put that somewhere in the comment box below. Okay, so again, as I stated, this is going to be an eyebrow tutorial for thick eyebrows. I love my thick eyebrows, never want thin eyebrows, so I like to keep the thick look. I do kind of clean it up a little bit with my razor sometimes if I need to, but other than that, I just like my thick eyebrows. And I have this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil here, and the spoolie is here, and then this here. I don't like this part because it doesn't get sharp. So I'm gonna have to find another one to kind of help me with that, because sometimes this is not, it rolls off of my eyebrows and I need it to be a little more precise, if I could say that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first what I do is I usually just clean up my eyebrows and try to get it as smooth as possible without a whole lot of flurries. Now I know some people have used like eyelash glue to like lay down the brow, and I'm gonna try that, but just not today. But I'm kind of gonna show you guys what I usually do. So I usually just, you know, kind of clean it up a little bit. And then I take the eyebrow pencil and I just follow my natural eyebrow line here, kind of softly underneath. And then I just go towards the end. And this is kind of the tricky part. So you see, I have the line here, but this is so much hair here. So I usually try and just follow that line without it looking so thick. So what I do is I kind of start here and just kind of go down. And then I try and make it as even as possible. Okay, so I'm sure you can see that. And then afterwards, I just go in back in the front and I kind of just fill in if I need to. Like I said, my eyebrows are really thick, but I try to fill in any like light or empty spaces. And then I have it like this, so then I'll go ahead and do the other one. pretty much done with that. So you can tell that this side is thicker than this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the contour, and I have this e.l.f. brush. I don't even know what it's called. I've had it for a long time. But I'm gonna go in, and usually before I do my makeup, I would go and put primer on my face after I do the eyebrows, because when I put the primer on my eyebrows, it gets very oily, you know, and like I said, the tip kind of just rolls over and it doesn't give it that more precise look. So what I do is I usually go in and contour the eyebrows, and then I even out the ends so that it can be a little more parallel, or however you want to call it. So you see that? I mean, don't mind my eyelashes, y'all. Even that right there, I love concealer. It's so bomb. It's just so bomb. Okay, so this is the part that I try to be careful. So I go down here and I kind of just spin that in out to make it a little more thinner. And I'm sure if I were to get my eyebrows arched, I still could probably get away with, see, I got some extra hairs. I didn't arch my eyebrows today, and I probably should have a little bit. What I try to do is thin that out a little bit, so it can look a little bit closer to the other side. Yeah, I've really just become so obsessed with doing my makeup lately, and I don't know where this desire has come from. I do know that when I was little, or back in junior high, well, even when I was before that, I wanted to be an artist. Like, that was my dream. I used to draw everything, and I loved it. And I'm just like, maybe this can be my form of art. You never know, never know how far this can go. But you guys see that? Just the natural look that it has. I just love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and do the other side. And any mistakes I may have made with the liner, I just clean it up with the concealer, because that's what concealer does. It cleans up everything. That's why I love it so much. I literally learned how to use concealer this year. Like, really, this year. And ever since I learned, I've just loved it. Okay. Oops, wrong one. Okay. All right, now I have to make that a little bit evened out. I watched one video of a makeup artist who said that you know that your eyebrows are parallel or even when you can go across evenly. Here. Okay. So, again, this is not super even. The symmetry is nice, but there should be some naturalness to the eyebrows. Okay, so I usually go in and clean that up. Take my sponge and pat it out And I need a smaller sponge. I need to buy some more of those. But you just go in and even it out a little bit. So that it doesn't look so caked up. I practiced on my best friend yesterday because I wanted to practice doing this because it could possibly be something that I get into in the future, and I want to be able to practice. Practice makes I don't like to say perfect, but practice makes progress. I'll say that. I probably won't be able to get all this off right now. But again, this is just me showing you guys what I do to my eyebrows. A short eyebrow tutorial. Okay. All right, let's get in here. Again, I definitely need to arch a little bit, but. So yeah, this is what I do when I'm doing my makeup. I usually don't really do my eyebrows throughout, just on a regular basis. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But this is what my eyebrow routine is like. So tell me what you think. I'll be even open to any tips or anything that you might want to share that will help me. But these are my eyebrows. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you follow me again and subscribe so that you can hear about my wedding details, all of those things, because they will be posted and uploaded whenever I get a chance. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and I will see you guys next time.